The programs that we have dealt with until now are known as call by value programs, which means let's say you have result equals cal sum a comma b comma c. Basically, you're calling the cal sum function by sending the values of a, b, and c. Hence, this is known as call by value. So call the function cal sum by sending the values of a, b, c. And in the cal sum function, you perform some computation and you return the value, let's say sum. Now, what happens if you want to send back more than one values? Let's say you want to send sum comma average. Unfortunately, with the return statement, you cannot send more than one value. So this call by value program is going to have a problem when you want to send more than one value. Let me show you an example. So let's say you have your main function. I'll declare int x equals to 5, y equals to 10. I have a swap function which takes two parameters, int k, int l. I call the swap function by sending the values of x and y. In my swap function, let me write it, void swap int k, int l. I have a temporary variable which I'm going to use in the swapping process. I say temp equals to k equals to l, and l equals to temp. And I can print the values of k and l. And I cannot return it because first thing is it's a void function. Even if I put an int, I can only return one value. And then in my main, I have printf percentile d, comma x, comma y. So when this program begins, you initialize the value of x to 5 and y to 10, and then you call the swap function by sending the values of x and y. So k gets the value 5 and l gets the value 10. Now this is the swap operation. Basically, after doing the swap operation, k is going to contain 10 and l is going to contain 5. So when the printf executes, it's going to print the values of k and l, which are 10 and 5 respectively. Once the call is done, or once all the statements in the function are done, control goes back to the place from where it left off and executes the next statement, which is this printf. At this, when this printf is executed, it's just going to display the values of x and y, which are 5 and 10. So the swap operation is happening in the swap function, but in the main function, we are still left with the original values. So how do we fix this problem?